Jesus came down today, and the earth it shook with joy. Jesus came down today, the man that God employed. He stepped one foot on our rough ground, and you just kicked him out of town. Oh, Jesus came down today. His robe was white as snow. Jesus came down today. But hell, how would you know? You saw that man with dark tan skin, and the way he loved the ones that sin. Oh, Jesus came down today, and man, the look in your eyes when he sat down and prayed with the ones you all despised, the gay, the dark, the poor, the weak. You looked like modern Pharisees. Oh, he didn't have a word to say. He just looked down at his hands. You said we went to church and prayed. That's when he started to stand. He said, I am love and my love's free. I don't know you, you don't know me. Oh, Jesus, he left today. Jesus, he left.